Hello, my friends. This is Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. I hope you all are having a great day and that you're going to have a great week. Welcome to my channel and my craft room. Today I am unboxing an order, which is a collaboration with Globleland. So Globleland sells all types of things. I'm going to have their website linked below, along with a coupon that if you did want to order anything, you will be able to get 10% off your order with the code Sheree10. And that will be linked below in case you forget. You can just copy and paste it into your, order when you check out. So this is the second time I've collaborated with them, and they wanted, asked me if I wanted to try out some things again. And I did. I looked around, and I remember the first time there were some things that I liked a lot, but I could only, you can only choose so many things on a collaboration. So this time I got the other things that I was looking at, right? So I've been, some of these things I'm going to use in my journals, but I have also been making cards for friends and family. And so in order to keep up with that and just, try to, I don't want to make the cards too complicated, but I guess these things hopefully will make it easier to make a card. So let me show you what I got. I got some things that I've never tried before here that I'm going to show you. Oh, sorry. There was tape on here, so it's a little sticky on the outside of this. But let's see. This is the same type of thing that I've never tried before. And these are, of course, stamps. Everything came in a bubble envelope, nice and safe and sound, and all wrapped up and nice like this. So this one, let me take it out of this shiny, because I know that causes glare on in the camera. So let me take it out of here and show you what I got. And now I want to show you in detail so that in case you are looking for something like this, you will know exactly what you're getting. So there's some packaging in there and the cellophane envelope. And this is in more cellophane. Okay, another cellophane envelope. Very safely packaged, so it arrives to you safe and sound. And then, okay, here we go, another cellophane package. And then this is the stamp sandwiched between, the two like acetate sheets. So I'm not going to take this off right now, but I'm going to try to show this in a way. Let me put it on here again, this white. Let's see. Let me put it on. I've got some coffee dyed paper right here. Let me grab a piece of that so that I can put that in the background, and hopefully you can see the individual rubber stamps really well. So yeah, I think that's probably a little bit better, and I'll hold it in a way that it's not showing glare, hopefully. But these things, I had just made my Mother's Day card when I ordered these, and yeah, I think so. I kind of, with that experience of making that Mother's Day card, I thought, for the next female-related cards that I make, it would be nice to have some other things. So I got this has flowers on, as you can see right here, these two, and I want to try like stamping these and maybe coloring them a little bit after I stamp them with some either colored pencils. I think I have colored pencils, and I have Sharpies. I don't have anything fancy, Copic markers or anything like that. I'm happy with my pencils and my Sharpies. So yeah, I want to try that. So stay tuned for that. And then I noticed I thought it would be nice to have some stamped like sentiments and things. So like this says love you, this says grateful. There's a little leaf here, just a little kind of, decorative thing right here. Thank you. I am so thankful for our friendship. If I want to send happy mail or something like that, that would be cool. And then if I can read, some of these are a little bit hard to read when they're a stamp, but in the top and it's small. But may your day, I think it says, be a filled with fun, with and with laughter, something like that. Be still, my soul. Have a beautiful day. A friend, a leaf, a little beautiful kind of flourish there. Let's see, sending smiles across the miles. You are such a blessing. Wishing you strength today and hope for tomorrow. So, you know, I mean, that could be for a get well card or somebody that's recuperating from something, you know. So I thought this was just a really well-rounded set of rubber, you know, these cling stamps that I could use for, you know, kind of like generic almost. The flowers might be female, but the rest of these things can be used for male or female, you know, friend, family member, things like that. So that is the one set I got. Then this one, yeah, I saw there was quite a few. Actually, there was quite a few. What I do when I go to pick out a stamp set or something like this with on a collaboration is I put I put everything I like in my cart. Like what you do is go to the website and pick out what you want, and then sometimes you put it in your cart and they order it for you, or you give them the links of things you would like to, you know, demonstrate. And anyway, what I do is either way, I go in and put everything I like in my cart, and then I have to narrow it down to the limit that they allow you to order. So I remember picking these out, and I had like lots of stamps like this in my cart and had to narrow it down. But this reminded me of, you know, I mean, it's a small version, but it reminded me of like a chalkboard, you know, printing or stenciling type thing that you'd see on a chalkboard sign or something. That's what these reminded me of. So, and I made a birthday card. Did I make any birthday cards yet? I made one for my son, but you know, I have I had my dad's birthday. That's what it was. And then when I made my dad's birthday card, I was like, it would have been nice to have some of these stamps, right? So, you know, just to add here and there, you know, not necessarily maybe on the front of the card or maybe even on the inside card where you open up and you have the inside of the front cover there to put a little stamp in the middle of that or something. So that's why I got these, just a little stamp to stamp here and there, and just to, you know, kind of decorate a little bit and add something to it. So happy birthday to you, this one says. Wishing you a wonderful birthday full of good stuff to celebrate. That's what it says. Blow out your candles. I hope your birthday is as special as you are. Happy birthday to you and many more. Wishing you a dazzling day. Thanks for having a birthday so we can party. Best wishes on your birthday. And did I read this one? Yeah. Wishing you a wonderful birthday full of good stuff. Yeah, I read that one. Okay, so there they are. Lots of different choices there. What you got? 8 stamps. And these were inexpensive. Most of their stamps I looked, you know, all the ones I put in my cart were inexpensive. I did go down. I looked at so many. They have so many. And I looked at so many, and there was some that were, like when I got to the end of the, you know, I guess, I don't know how I had the search on, but I did notice some that were more expensive, but I didn't get any of the more expensive ones. I got the less expensive ones. And I thought what a great deal, you know, when I saw the prices on the ones, and I will have the links to these particular ones in my description box so you can go look and see what the prices were. But I was just like amazed, like how could this be such a good deal? You know what I mean? They're so nice, right? And so many, like on that other one, so many. So I was just like amazed at what you get for your money type of thing. So the next two, so I was able to order 4 things, and the next 2 are something I've never ordered before, which I thought I've seen other people use these, and I thought, well, let me try them. So what they are is you get the stamp and the die. So I thought, wow, that could be really cool, right? And so I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it, see how I do. I'll show you. I will show you how I do. So I have my, my big shot. So you get the dies here and the stamp. So here's the stamp set. This is, again, some florals and so you layer these. And so, like, I think you possibly, like, this could be the background, and then you have this, the floral top part on top. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to experiment and even watch some videos myself before I show you what I do. But see, they're like layers. Like this looks like the bottom. This looks like the top of a flower petal possibly. This says love. Here's a little something there, a little flourish. This one too. Get well soon. Hello, thank you. This is a flower here. Another layer of this same shape. Three layers. And this leaf too. 3 layers. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm definitely going to have to watch a video again. But that's how I got interested in these, is I saw other people using them and I was like, oh, I've never ordered anything like that before. A stamp set that comes with the dies that you use with this to cut these shapes out, and then you can stamp inside of them or something. I don't know. Like I said, I watch a video. But I don't think I need to open this up. But these are the dies. There's the flower. There's the leaf. There is a label here. There's another leaf and another like label type thing there. So I would definitely be watching a video to learn how to teach myself how to do that. And they all came in these nice Ziploc bags too. These two did. And then here's another one. Let's see if we can get this one open. This one is taped, so sorry for any little bit of if it gets too loud, I will pause. But oh, I think it's okay. I think we're fine here. I think. Let me see if I got the tape off of here. But really nice thick Ziploc bag here. Okay, this one. This is a bigger set, isn't it? Here's the dies and here's the stamps. And who doesn't like dragonflies, right? I don't know. I almost prefer, I love butterflies, love butterflies, but I also think that I love dragonflies. So I thought, let me get some dragonflies instead of butterflies, because I think I almost got butterflies. I was like, let me just get some dragonflies, something a little different than a butterfly, right? So as you can see, it looks like each dragonfly comes with a die to match it. I'm going to try to point them out here. And see, these all have straight tails here. Straight tails on the dragonflies. Oh, look, there's some even little baby ones down here. Look at this. Let me show you. Aren't they cute? Little baby dragonflies. Oh my goodness, I've never seen any so small. And it does have a couple words in here. Be strong, be happy, and be you. Super cute for whatever, journals or cards. And anyway, I was pointing out the straight. Let's see, this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 straights. And then, so there's 1, 2, 3 straights on here. So I guess you match them up with whatever they go with, whatever they can fit with. And then there's a curved tail here, curved tail there, and curved tail there. And this is 1, 2, 3 curved tails. Curved tail dragonflies. So won't those be fun? I can't wait to try these out. And so yeah, if you have any tips for me, if you use these before and you're like, they don't show, no one ever shows this, but when I did it, you know, this happened. So be sure to do whatever, or try to do this, you know, something, you know, it's great for me and great for the other people that will read the comments, to get tips from people that are experienced with something like that, the dies and the stamps. So yeah, lots of goodies to experiment with here. I'll be doing 2 more videos. I want to do one with the stamps and dies, so that'll be one. And I want to do another one where I kind of stamp and color these. I want to see how that comes out, because I think that could be really pretty on a card. I mean, of course it can. I've seen other people do it too, so that'll be fun, and I think it'll be really cool. And I need to make 2 cards, not any floral ones. I've got 2 mail cards coming up I got to do. So it's challenging. I've challenged myself this year to make cards for at least all my family members for all the holidays and birthdays. So I've got my oldest son's birthday coming up June 9th, and Father's Day. So I've got 2 to make. So it's almost like, oh my goodness, 2 in 1 month. I am excited, but it's giving me a little bit of anxiety, like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do type of thing. So stay tuned. I try to share the cards either quickly in another video along with whatever I'm doing, you know, kind of update or whatever. Or the last one, my Mother's Day card for my daughter-in-law, I shared, and that was a spur of the moment thing because I didn't even really think of it because she's not my mom type of thing. But not on Mother's Day or the day before or something like that. I was like, oh, I gotta make my daughter-in-law a Mother's Day card. So I made a quick one and it came out really cute. So that is in a short. So you'll either be in a short or in a video. But if you haven't seen the little Mother's Day card made for my daughter-in-law, it came out really cute. I just made it with comic book pieces and a cardstock. And she's a police officer, so I have little police cards on there and stuff. And I recently got some new stickers, which I'm going to be showing you in the future too. So stay tuned for all that. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when my videos come out. And I'll see you then. Have a great day and a great week.